Hello, hi guys. Well, me and Liam decided to do a podcast. So we will be doing conversations, anything under the sun. As of now, we have no name for the program yet. Ano kaya maganda? What are the suggestions? I don't want Birdie Baba. That's Liam's suggestion.
No.
I don't like it.
Okay, my suggestion is when you suggestion is
I'm thinking of a better one. How about
talking under the sun.
Matinong Usapan with Liam and
Sige,
JC. Ayun,
sige.
that's the name,
Matinong
Matinong
Usapan.
Usapan.
Okay.
So,
Our
ngayon,
topic today.
wait lang. Right now, it's April 11, 2026. It was my birthday yesterday. We are here now at Sabaya Bay, Manila Bay, swimming. Maybe it's around 8:30 a.m. now.
8:30 it's the
11:30 a.m.
It's
now.
8:30.
So, later we're going to watch PBL. And then tomorrow we're going to go to Araneta to watch PBA game. Last night we watched PBA game. Ginebra won. It was a sloppy game for Magnolia
And also Converge.
and also Converge. Rain or Shine is our new favorite because they're very good.
I mean, Raiders are very good because their ball movement is incredible. Like, one thing that people are complaining about in Converge is that the bad coaching system and the players, which is kind of true, but they have a really promising roster. Like, if the players continue to develop and the coaching staff gets a bit better, they could be a top team.
Okay, so what's our first topic? Alam ko na lang. Our first topic, a serious one. Why is it important to have family vacation?
Okay.
Family bonding. Okay. So,
Alright.
to start with, okay, so let me ask you, Liam. Sige, direct question. Why is it important to have
Well,
family vacation?
Family vacation enhances the bond between family members. That means you'll get to know each other while also learning from each other's experiences. Like when you're traveling, you have mistakes. Like you go to the wrong direction, you learn from that. That's one of the importance of family vacation. You as a family will learn to work together, grow together, and enjoy life together.
It makes the family closer.
Yes.
Okay. How about disadvantages?
Well, disadvantages is the expenses. If
Okay.
like, halimbawa, if the family is poor, like it's a privilege to have family vacation because not all families can afford family vacation.
Even those who can afford, syempre, they have to save the money for
Their needs,
needs like what?
like food, water, shelter.
Education pa.
Yes. And
So that's the hard decision. How do you balance it?
yes, the hard decision is how
So how do you balance it?
Like halimbawa, you have summer vacation, maximize your free time instead. So halimbawa, there's class. You don't do a lot of family vacation. So you prioritize your needed tasks first.
Okay. Kasi I think one of the challenge for family vacation is balancing productivity and
Yes.
leisure.
Yes.
Kasi if you do leisure, sabi mo nga, there will be expenses and at the same time the parents will not be able to work.
Yes. Well,
Okay? So that's the difficulty. So what's the future solution, especially for kids?
the future solution, especially for kids, like first of all, it's not really kind of like a solution, but the rise
So what
of
did you learn?
So-
How do you do that?
like the rise of digital work, like work at home is helping with family vacation.
No, I think that for kids, ano yung lesson na isa? I think for kids, focus talaga on the study.
Yeah,
Yung task.
focus on
When
your
it's
friends.
kasi there's time for vacation.
Yes po, that's why
So
there's summer
when it's time for
vacation.
study and education,
That's when we study.
focus on it.
Yes, that's when we study.
Para talagang you can just pag-vacation, 'di ba? You can focus
Yes po,
on
you can just
focus on
your prioritized
yes.
task.
So you don't have to catch up with your education. Also, if you do focus on your education, pagdating ng panahon when you're about to have your own family, you have a decent work, di ba?
You're gonna have a decent
That's important eh.
you're gonna have a decent work that will help you get good salary.
Yes.
Make you do more
And
family.
also, meron yung tinatawag na family legacy. You know what's that?
Oh yeah, like the Like, yeah, you can tarnish your family. Like,
Then it's not that. I'm talking about yung it's parang generational wealth.
Oh, yeah, the
You can
inheritance.
you can do kasi if you're financially capable kasi you invested on yourself sa pag-aaral
Okay.
saka sa mga skills, you'll be able to get a good job or business. Tapos you can have investments. And investments, meron kasi tinatawag, they call it passive investments. Passive income. You know why it's called passive income?
Wait, because it passes to you.
No, hindi yun. Passive is not active.
Okay.
Ang opposite ng passive is opposite of active is passive. So, meaning ng passive, you have an asset, pero you don't really need to do anything, but it will earn income.
Oh, yeah.
Example.
Okay.
Do you know what that's an example?
Real estate.
Yes, kasi real estate na halimbawa you'll develop it, lagay ka ng for example a building or anything na useful, then people will rent it. And then people will give you monthly rent na lang.
Oh, yeah.
Tapos, pag may monthly rent ka, you will be able to earn income kahit wala kang ginagawa.
Oh, okay.
And, or at the same time, you can have another job, tapos may rental income ka pa. So that's do you know what's the biggest problem for that?
Ano ko?
It's very expensive naman
Oh, yeah.
to acquire assets. That's why you need to be really smart with your money.
You have to be wise.
Wise, oo.
What you need.
Oo, so kailangan makapag-earn ka ng money. Okay, so what are the other issues when doing family vacation?
The other thing is when doing like family vacation, like
I have something.
what's it?
There are external issues pa aside from money. Okay? Like several years ago, may lockdown, may COVID.
Oh, yeah.
Even if you want to go out, you
You
cannot
can't.
do kasi may restrictions. So that's very hard. So talagang important din yung government
Yes.
para they'll be able to manage it. Right now, what's the issue?
Yes. The facilities.
No. Meron pang big issue that
Oh.
it will be very hard to do vacation and
Oh.
family
Oh, the salary.
The crisis.
Oh, yeah, the oil
May
crisis.
war. So oil
Oh, yeah, the oil
crisis. So
crisis. I forgot.
transportation is
Oil crisis.
transportation will be expensive kasi fuel costs are expensive. And at the same time, if fuel costs are expensive, diba, everything will become
Yeah.
expensive. Bakit maging expensive lahat?
Because I saw this in the video. So oil is 20% of the world's economy. Without oil,
What's
the economy.
kaya nga, what's the
is
simplest explanation? Why will everything become expensive?
because of
Nagmahal
the
ako.
factories.
Ito simple explanation. For example, do you eat food? Do you eat oil? No.
Yes.
Oil? Kumakain ka
No.
oil?
Nagtutulong oil. No.
Oil? Hindi
No.
cooking oil.
Oh,
Kasi
no.
yung oil
No.
you don't, diba?
No,
Yung
we don't
poison,
eat oil.
you will die.
Yeah, we don't eat oil.
Pero, bakit nagmamahal ang food? Why are food becoming expensive? Because of oil crisis.
Yes, because they're producing mga factories.
Produce food in the factory?
No, like the
Agriculture? For example, ano example ng food gusto mo? For example, vegetable. Vegetable mo.
Okay, vegetable.
Vegetable. Okay. So, vegetable. Bakit magmamahal ang vegetable pag nagmahal ang oil?
Well, wait. Because of like the tractors used to do.
Yes. So, for example, start natin sa pinaka-basic. Okay, number one, to grow vegetable, what do you need?
Water.
Okay, water. How do you generate water?
The sprinklers.
Yes. And to produce sa sprinklers,
You need oil.
you need, bakit kailangan ng oil?
Well, because it's like chemicals that.
No, kasi syempre, yung mga water district, they will be needing electricity. Okay? So, electricity is related to oil kasi may mga
Okay.
plants that are being run by oil. Another example, before you can grow plants, you need seeds.
Yes.
Okay, where are you going to get the seeds? For
Well,
example, imported seed. For example, the seed will be coming from Batangas, the plant.
we need to
And then,
transport.
you need to plant it in Cavite.
You have to
You
transport.
have to transport it. How do you transport it? Are you going to walk?
No, oil. You need oil for like big truck or
No, so your truck will not move without the
oil.
oil. So If oil is more expensive, transportation to those trucks will become more expensive. Tapos pag nag-grow mo na yung plants, for example, nag-grow yung vegetables sa Benguet, sa Baguio, and you will be delivering it to Metro Manila,
You need transportation which will have oil.
it become more expensive. Also, the workers.
Yes, the
So
workers.
you need workers, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay. How will the workers go to the plantation field?
Yes, they don't have transport.
So they will have to go there, di ba? And also, the workers, they need to eat also, di ba?
Yes.
So if oil will make the food prices go up, the workers will also need more money to
Eat.
eat. So they need more income, so labor costs will also go up. So yun yung mga explanation why oil will
It's so
make
high.
every valuable or will make inflation go up. You know what's inflation?
Yes, like why their prices rise.
Yes.
And it's because Iran
How about
blocked the Strait of Hormuz.
how about hyperinflation?
Yep, that's when it's the economic like crashes down so much.
No,
like
inflation prices goes up.
it
Hyperinflation.
goes down.
Hyper nga eh.
It goes up
It
so
goes
much.
terribly
Goes up like
goes up. May metric, I think 1,000% ata. It goes up 1,000%. You know what that means? So if it goes up 1,000%, for example, if the price of one candy is 1 peso, hyperinflation will cost that for 1 peso candy 1,000.
grabe.
Kaya nga hyperinflation. Pero let us check that later. Okay, and sige, ano pa? Other challenges. Bakit yung family vacation will be hard sa mga family?
Yung dito minsan kasi walang mga available na halimbawa facilities or
Ano na-discuss na? Siyempre, money muna, di ba?
Money, yes.
Money, tapos
oil.
external issues na aside sa family. Okay. Ano pa? Ano pa isa? Time.
Kuya,
Kapag
time.
may work.
Yes, like OFW.
Or talaga may work kasi kahit vacation ng kids, ang parents,
Wala.
may work pa rin.
Don't stop, non-stop.
Kailangan i-maximize na yung mga holidays. So, ano pa? Ibang issues.
Ang ibang issues lang ay yung yung halimbawa yung mga government facilities yung mga thing, like yung mga
Infrastructure.
infrastructure.
Hard.
It's tough, like since the oil crisis, your only choice is like train or bus, but that
Yes. Ayun,
But
kung
it's
yung pa
very
isa
bad.
pala, 'di ba?
Very bad.
If you don't have your own
car.
vehicle, transportation, it's very hard to take public transportation
Yes,
sa Philippines.
because
Okay. Ano pa?
Unlike other countries where it's
Okay.
really easy.
Okay. So you have
Another issues of like family vacation is like your budgeting and how to spend. Like,
Okay, I
that's
have
already
another
done.
issue. Okay. Yung closeness ng family. Sometimes yung kids would want to be with their friends instead of family. So yun. Sa'yo.
Yes.
Ano pa?
Another thing
Another thing very important. Health.
health.
So pag merong may sakit,
Wala.
you have to stay dun sa... So you have to be healthy and laging work out, diba? And
Yes.
eat right.
Okay, so another thing with
Ano pa?
another
Okay.
thing with issue like family vacation is like there's a problem with like travel expenses, tapos
Tapos na tayo sa travel expenses.
yeah, but
what
the
else?
problem is like sometimes it's very hard to find something.
Let's summarize yung mga challenge. So, okay. Our conclusion, guys, is important family vacation to have fun because it will make the family closer. Kaya lang, the challenges that we need to work and kailangan mag-prepare will be for financial,
expenses,
time, logistics.
yeah.
Correct. So,
Logistics.
that will be it. Okay? So, it was a productive talk. Anything else you gusto mong message?
Thanks. I wish my friends will watch this. I
Okay. So, ano pangalan ng topic natin? Matinong usapan
matinong usapan
with
with
Liam and
Del
JC. So, matino. Ano ang summary? M-U-L-J.
M-U-L-G, Mulch.
Mulch. Okay, so bye guys. So Leah will do a lap.
Guys, I'll see you.
Okay, see you guys. Go lap, tapos I'll follow after you. Balik ka, pagdating sa dulo. Dito ka sa table. So that's it guys. We're out.
Guys, we're out.
Watch out for our next episode.
Matinong usapan.
Mulch.
Ma.
Matinong usapan, not birthday boy.